It's your boy Will. I'm back in my video, and today about to fold these covers with your boy Will for a good 7 minutes. Let's begin. Y'all see it. I can't lie, TK was hard though. Back in my years in 8th grade or 7th grade, bro, he was hard. But for the things that he did to put him behind bars, bro, that wasn't cool at all. That wasn't cool at all. Like, TK, you had so much potential. Why you put yourself behind bars? Like, why? You had so much potential in my years in middle school. 7th grade and 8th grade, you had potential. Why? I want to let y'all know right now. For the people who want to be something in life, don't do nothing stupid to put you behind bars. Because whatever you're trying to prove to somebody else, it do not matter at all. It do not. So if you're trying to be something in life, leave that alone. I don't need you behind bars. You worth more than that, okay? Okay? You hear me? Exactly. My dog hit me. You heard me? You heard me? So, if you want to be something in life, from a rapper to an athlete to anything, don't do anything stupid to put you behind bars or get you canceled, okay? From the NBA to the rap game, don't do nothing stupid. Everything is not worth it at all. Like I always say, it's not worth it. Because it's not. It's not worth it at all. It feel good now. It's not going to feel good forever. Instant gratification. Delay on that. Oh, man. Back to folding these covers, man. Like I said, don't do nothing stupid to mess up your career from a rapper to an athlete or a YouTuber or a content creator who live on camera all the time. But still, on Kick, on Twitch, don't do nothing stupid. You don't got nothing to prove to nobody in this world. I want to tell you that right now. You don't got nothing to prove to nobody in this world but you and God. That's it. Everybody else do not matter. I promise you. You search for approval. My fault. When you search for approval in this world, you're trying to prove men in the Bible. You're trying to prove men in the Bible. That's what you're trying to do. And what I mean by men is that's either women or men. You're trying to prove something to the human beings instead of proving something to the Most High. Don't live like that. Don't. from that soul food. I ain't mess with that no more. 1 minute and second. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Dang. But yeah, don't do nothing stupid. You know you have potential in this world. When you have potential in this world to be something in life, it's not worth it to give your energy out to anything in this world. Cause it's not worth it, bro, at all. Don't even waste your time trying to prove anything to nobody. Cause they can be right here. They can be right here, and you can be right here. But you up here trying to prove something to somebody, and now you down here on their level. And that's what happened with a lot of people in this life who is successful. But you want to do something to prove your image towards somebody else on this earth. And that's where you got messed up. That's where you got messed up at. You can't give me no break. You don't got nobody to prove to but yourself and God. Because when you gone alone. You are dead alone. Nobody is not gonna be right there next to you in your grave but yourself. Sad but true. So that's me passing out free game, you know. I'm a young man and I'm still learning, you know. I'm still learning a lot of things in this life, but a clear mind and a lot of wisdom. I want to suck up as much wisdom as I can, you know, as a young man. From elders, anything, from books, from Google, anything. Real life experience. So yeah. Don't do nothing stupid that will put you behind bars when you know you have something going on for yourself in life. Simple as that. I'm gone.